Adding a card to Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to make payments using your Apple device. To get started, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, and follow the prompts to enter your card information. One of the main benefits of using Apple Pay is the security it provides. When you add a card to Apple Pay, the actual card number is not stored on your device or on Apple's servers. Instead, a unique device account number is created and stored on your device, which is used to make payments. This means that your actual card number is never shared with merchants, reducing the risk of fraud and identity theft. Another benefit of using Apple Pay is the convenience it offers. With Apple Pay, you can make payments in stores, online, and in apps, without needing to physically swipe or insert your card. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases on your Mac, iPad, or Apple Watch, making it a great option for those who want to make payments across multiple devices. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your device near the contactless reader and authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases online or in apps. By selecting Apple Pay as your payment method and authenticating the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, in addition to the security and convenience it provides, Apple Pay also offers a number of other benefits, including rewards and cashback programs, and the ability to track your purchases and account activity. Many banks and credit card companies also offer exclusive rewards and benefits to Apple Pay users, such as cashback, points, or travel miles. Overall, adding a card to Apple Pay is a great way to make payments more convenient, secure, and rewarding. By following these simple steps and taking advantage of the benefits that Apple Pay has to offer, you can enjoy a more streamlined and secure payment experience.